plus 2 commerce questions and answers. Which of the following is not the characteristic of sole proprietorship? Non-flexibility. Membership by birth is main feature in joint Hindu family business. Registration is compulsory in joint stock company. Sole trading business is started by any one person. Decision making process is sole trading business is quick. A partnership form of business may be registered under 1932 Act. In partnership, there exists a relationship of principal and agent. The value of qualification shares of a director is rupees 5,000. The minimum subscription specified in the prospectus must be received within 90 days. The minimum number of members for a public limited company is 7. Stock exchanges deal in financial securities. A pessimistic speculator is beer. A cooperative supermarket supplies goods. Public can also subscribe to the share capital of government company. The share capital of the government company must not be less than 51%. In a cooperative society, dash principle is followed. One man, one vote. Which of the following must hold a statutory meeting? Public limited companies. Maximum membership in a cooperative society is unlimited. A director is acting as dash of the company. All of these, that is agent, trustee, officer, all of these. Securities Contract Regulation Act was passed in 1956. Define organization. According to Louis H. Hensey, organization is a harmonious adjustment of specialized parts for the accomplishment of some common purpose or purposes. What is scalar principle? Line of authority must proceed from the highest executive to the worker at the bottom level through a downward flow. This is known as chain of command. The superior has a direct authority over his immediate subordinate. He is responsible for efficient performance of the work entrusted. Who is a Karta? India is unique in the system of joint Hindu families. A joint Hindu family comprises of father, mother, sons, daughters, grandsons and granddaughters. They hold the property jointly. They do the business under the control of the head of the family. The head of the family is Karta and the members are called co-partners. What is unlimited liability? The liability of the proprietor for the debts of the business is unlimited. The creditors have the right to recover their dues even from the personal property of the proprietor in case the business assets are not sufficient to pay their debts. Define partnership. According to the Section 4 of Indian Partnership Act of 1932, partnership is defined as a relation between persons who have agreed to share the profits of a business carried on by all or any of them, acting for all. What is limited partnership? A partnership in which the liability of the partner is limited is called limited partnership. The law does not permit the formation of a limited partnership in India, but in Europe and USA, limited partnership is allowed. A limited partnership firm must have at least one partner whose liability is unlimited. The liability of remaining partners is limited. Thus, limited partnership consists of two types of partners: general partner and limited partner. Define stock exchange. The Securities Contracts Regulations Act 1956 defines stock exchange as an association, organization or body of individuals, whether incorporated or not, established for the purpose of assisting, regulating and controlling the business of buying, selling and dealing in securities. Define debentures. The term debenture refers to a document issued by a company acknowledging a debtor due be it to its holders. It also provides for payment of interest at a fixed rate at stated intervals. It also consists of an undertaking to repay the debt or at its option. It is usually under the common scale of the company. What is share premium? A company can issue shares at premium. It means that the issue price can be higher than the face value of the shares. In other words, the difference between the issue price and the face value constitutes share premium. For instance, when a share of the face value of rupees 10 is issued at rupees 12, share premium amount is rupees 2 share premium. What is a government company? A government company is one in which not less than 51% of the paid up capital is held by the central government or by any one or more state governments, or partly by the central government and partly by one or more state governments. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Steel Authority of India, SAIL, are its examples. What is extraordinary general meeting convened? Any meeting other than the statutory meeting and the annual general meeting of the company is called extraordinary general meeting. It is convened for transacting any urgent or special business which cannot be postponed till the next annual general meeting. It is convened by the board of directors or on the requisition of the members or by the company law board. What is underwriting? Large issues are made through underwriting. Under this method, the underwriters give a guarantee to the companies making new issues. The government, the shares offered to the public, the guarantee the shares offered to the public which will be fully subscribed. In the event of less subscription, the balance of shares will be taken over by underwriters. Who are Rochdale pioneers? Robert Owen started the first ever cooperative society in the year 1844 with 28 members known as Rochdale Society of Equitable Pioneers. It is a consumer cooperative society. The father of this movement is Robert Owen. Why departmental organization is suitable for defense industries? Defense industries and nuclear sector should be under the control of government, because if it is controlled by the private sector, in times of national emergency, they may not cooperate with the government. There is also the danger of defense secrets being given out to the enemy country. Define state enterprises. According to S.S. Kirr, state enterprises are the industrial, commercial and economic activities carried on by the central or by a state government, and in each case either solely or in association with private enterprise, so long it is managed by self-contained management.